Okay, let's tweet this bad boy out. Okay. Let's copy this and post this in Elusives group. And then copy this. Is my mic's working. What's your chip order? I have a burrito this time. I switch it up usually, but I usually go brown or white rice, just whatever I'm feeling, and then I always go chicken. Chicken, pico and medium salsa. A little bit of sour cream. And cheese. And some lettuce too. Dude, their pico is amazing. I've made their pico like plenty of times. I usually just get all the ingredients and I make a huge batch of their pico. Okay. Okay, where else do I need to send this? Oh, fine. Let me go here. I think I tweeted it. Yeah, I tweeted it. Okay, and then okay, get rid of this. Yeah, so I'm pretty hungry now, but that's okay. I will, if you guys don't mind, I will be eating on stream. Oops, I did this wrong. Okay. Puts are coming down again. Let's take a look at, let me pull up the SPY chart at least. Put it over here so it's closer to my screen. I usually chart on Webull, so. Oh man, we broke all these levels, bro. This is crazy. Alright, let me, while I'm eating, I'm going to be looking at gamma levels so I can figure out where resistance is here. And is the music too loud, guys? Let me know. You switch, same thing every time. Yeah, it's a fat burrito, bro. And I had a buy one get one free coupon, which was nice too, so I got my wife something when she gets home from work. It cost me $11 for a bowl and a burrito and chips. Okay, move this out of the way. Look at this nice trend, guys. This trend is pretty beautiful. Oh, this trend at least was pretty. And then we bounced right off of VWAP. I can't stand trading view, bro. I'm just going to use Webull. What the heck is this? I'm just going to have to move my chart occasionally and just show you guys what I have. So this was my charting from earlier. It followed this trend line really nice and then it bounced right off of VWAP. So it's power hour now, so it's kind of weird that we're not... I mean, we had a pretty decent move here, so we're just kind of chopping around here. But we are kind of making a bull flag, sort of. See this? Sort of making a bull flag. We'll see what happens here, but... Oh, let me change it back to 5 minute. There we go. It's a little bit easier to see. Oh, we'll be watching that. Yeah, premiums are just messed up right now. I wouldn't go long or short right now. You haven't been following your challenge play? Oh, I know. I need to get back into that, into the Dex thing. It was kind of crazy because on Friday, that's when we kind of stopped because Friday was such a red day that we didn't really know what to do. It was unbelievably red. Let's look at the Dex though while we're here. So it's printing another red candle. I wouldn't doubt that, honestly. I feel like we're going to hit 407 and then come back down. That's just my opinion. And we'll look at Jex too while I'm eating. Where'd that chart go? Oh, here it is. Wait, what the crap is this? This is not SPY. It's snow. That's why it looked weird. I was like, what is going on? I was like, why is there so much green on the 200 strike for for SPY when SPY is at 400? Okay, here we go. Yeah, 407. Look, that's the 407 level right here that we broke. And you saw the amount of selling pressure we had at 407. Look at this. It happened after, well, it happened on Friday. It happened at Friday during power hour, and that's when we got in. Remember that? During power hour on Friday, we got into puts. Look at what happened right when it broke 407. Literally flushed. It's unbelievable. Here, I'll even mark it. 407 was right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. 407 to 401. Let's see, was 401 a good gamma level there? 40... Oh, 402 was good. So it did drop a little bit lower than 402. But 402 was good support. See that? Literally perfect. 402, and then we're at 40... What are we at right now? 404.50. We hit 406. Where's 406? 406 is right here. Maybe that was the top there, guys. Because there's so much exposure here on 406 and 407. I feel like that might have been it. That might have been the resistance point. I feel like it went high enough. Oh, geez. I feel like it went high enough in order to come back down. Right here. We just got to be paying attention to flow and just be patient. I'll be paying attention to flow. There's puts coming up a little bit. Thoughts on Best Buy earnings? Yeah, we'll take a look at Best Buy. I'll be eating my Gaines Chipotle while I look at it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm freaking starving. You know, fat boys gotta eat. Daddy. Okay. Best Buy. Let's look at Best Buy. When did they have earnings? Oh, what the heck? Oh, they have earnings tomorrow. What the heck? Oh, that's where I forgot to alert the live stream is on Discord. Sorry, I was messaging someone. Okay, Best Buy's earnings are tomorrow morning. Okay. Well, why are you playing Best Buy earnings, bro? That's my first question back towards you. Tomorrow before open, yeah. So what are you seeing? Oh, it's pretty bearish. 600k. It's not into the millions though. Let's take a peek. We'll take a glance. Yeah, so we have about 150k in net flow positive on puts. No calls. We'll look at the top flow. That's not enough flow for me to really get into play. But yeah, puts are leading the pack like unbelievably. But the only issue is with these puts, they're kind of far out. Like this one's probably the nearest one, which is September 16th. And that is a $75 put. What is Best Buy at right now? Okay, so that's even in the money. So Best Buy's at $74. This put's in the money. So, I mean, honestly, I don't touch earnings that often. But when I do, I play it very, very safe. I play credit spreads or like, yeah, credit spreads. It's pretty much the only way I would be playing earnings. I wouldn't be getting into Best Buy anything. That's just me though. You do what you want to do. Risk it to get the biscuit. Okay, yeah, but from the flow perspective and what I'm seeing here is puts are winning. So yeah. Puts are definitely winning. But you never know. The last earnings report that I feel like I went through on the flow, it did the complete opposite of flow. I can't remember what it was, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I feel like retail has been beaten up, and with expensive tech sales in the economy, can't imagine they do well. I can still be swayed either way, though. Yeah, that's the risk with earnings, though, is they can go either way. And even if you do so much analysis, you feel like they're going to either beat or lose on earnings. Even if they lose on earnings, it can still go up. Like, it's crazy. So, like, even if you look at this chart here, it's pretty oversold. Like, it's gone from 86 all the way down to 72 in the span of, like, less than a month, in 2 weeks. So, yeah, and it's very, very oversold on the hourly. Right in the middle on the daily. But yeah, I mean, you just got to play it safe. If you do play earnings, do it with money that you're willing to lose. That's all I got to say. I don't get into earnings plays. Dude, guidance can screw you. Yeah, even if they do horrible on earning or on what do you call it? On revenue and EPS. If they have a good guidance report, then it probably will moon. It's just crazy. It's just all in this perspective of what the investors think is going to happen. Okay, puts are coming up. Calls are coming down here. Let's take a look at SPY. Where's SPY? Oh. It broke. It broke out of this, so we'll just leave it like that. It's crazy. The 7-day expirations calls have been winning all day. And we just got a sudden spike in calls. I wonder what that was. Let's take a look what that sudden spike was. I'm making a mess. It was Adobe, right? I don't know. I think it was Adobe because these three won't come up in Market NetFlow. Someone sold some puts, it looks like. I think. Hold on. Oh, no, never mind. They sold calls. At bid. Okay. What's up, Scott? Hey, welcome in, brother. Dude, guidance. Yeah. Okay, we talked about guidance. Scott, welcome in. Also, NVIDIA mentioned in their earnings call that there is a reduced revenue or overall sales in PC electronics. Really? Probably because of inflation, right? They're raising the prices of their products and no one's buying them. How about this, Rest? I think, Rest, you're fused, right? Are you fused on Discord? If it is, we'll watch Best Buy together. Look at that. Calls went up. Puts are coming up quick. Maybe we should swing some puts. You guys want to swing some puts? Oh, man. Okay, let's say we break view up here. I feel like we could get into some swings. The dex level's still red. Only problem with these small ones like this, look at what happened on this last small one. So on the 18th, so this one came up on the 17th, and it came up just slightly on the 18th. We can look back on the 18th. Where's the 18th? Scroll over. Oh, geez. So here's the 18th right here. We opened and went red just barely, but then we came back and rallied back on the 18th. So those small dex candles kind of scared me just a little bit. But puts are coming up and they're about to cross calls, so we're going to be watching that. Gosh. Okay, here's today. Play Best Buy together? I'm not playing Best Buy, bro. Sorry. Sorry. Let's swing some puts. I need a win. Scott, you should have been here last week, bro. We swung some puts. I made 80% on put swings over the weekend. It was disgusting. I was freaking out last night when I saw futures and what was happening last night. I was going bananas. All these guys in the stream can tell you what happened. Look at this. Puts are coming up like crazy, guys. Oh, man, they're about to cross. Okay. Well, if we get a nasty sell-off on calls, if calls go below 0 during the stream, we'll get into some puts, all right? Let's look at the chart here. We're holding VWAP. We're holding this nice little baby trend on VWAP today. We'll see what happens. We will keep an eye on it. Fuse, what are you in on Best Buy, bro? What are you in here? You're in puts, I know that, but what strike and what expiration? Here we go, puts. The 73 put for 9.9. Okay. Not bad, honestly. If you're going to play earnings, you should play a week out like that. How much are those? 73. 285 bucks. What's your fill? 280 bucks. Hopefully you got it up here. There we go. Okay. Where's Spy? Where's Spy? Where's Spy? Where's Spy? I gotta type this in so it's at the top of my watch list. Okay, let's see if we get a rejection on this 15 EMA here. On the 5-minute chart. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it. It's this black line. If we get a nasty sell-off on calls here, that's what we want to see. At least if you're going short. 284. Oh, that sucks. So you're basically at break even right now? Alright, Spy, what are you going to do? There we go, a little bit up. Green Day, baby. Is it green? Oh, no. Spy's almost green. But yeah, Wayne, you had a green day today, bro. Congratulations. I'm thinking about puts, Wayne. I'm thinking about puts. We want to see calls go down. Cuz they're really close together. You can probably see it better on Discord, guys. Hey, and Scott, if you're still here, bro, I know you're new. So if you have questions on anything, please ask. So I do this every day. Monday through Thursday, I go live on Market NetFlow, TradyTix, and on pretty much anything. It probably looks better on Discord. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see it a bit better on Discord. See, you can see how it's crossing. Ah. 400 put, 831 seems like a solid grab. Yeah, that's the ones we swung, Fusion. Or, sorry, not Fusion, Fused. Uh-oh, call's coming back up. That's why you wait, guys, because sometimes if you jump the gun too quick on the crosses like this, on flow, it can get kind of crazy. So I usually like to wait for a divergence, kind of like this. Although this divergence didn't work out very well, but I haven't really been in anything today because of how flat everything's been. Scott, any puts on the SPY yet? No, not yet. I'm being patient. We're just watching market net flow here. See how the convergence turned gray here? That usually indicates it's going to be choppy, or it doesn't go quick enough. The market doesn't go against what flow is doing. Or sorry, I said that wrong. The market doesn't go the way it's supposed to while flow is doing its thing. So when it's grayed out, you usually don't want to be in it. See how it's grayed out here? Market came down and calls were above 0. When it's gray like this, it usually means that it's not going the right way, or it's just flat. Alright, BRB. See you in a minute, Fused. Calls are coming up again, jeez. It's been messy today. Look at that. We rejected right off that 15-day EMA though. We'll see if flow flips here. It's getting to the end of the day though. Oh boy. There we go. We broke above 15-day. Let's see if we hold this little downtrend here. Let's see if we hold this. Since it broke above that 15, it probably will go back up there. I'm so tempted to swing puts. You have no idea. But this flow is so disgusting. Look at this. Calls are going crazy. I wish I found your stream earlier today before I took some losses. Yeah, Scott, we took some dubs. That's why I picked up Chipotle today. I told everyone that if I hit a 20% play today, I hit some spy calls, and those were in for 30%. I said I was going to go get Chipotle. We're kicking butt today. Well, all week last week, we were killing it. Okay, calls, seriously. Yeah, Scott, I think Scott already has Tradie Ticks, but hey, I appreciate that, Fuse. Russ is in the premium Discord, Scott, and he, so I just started this Discord not too long ago, and I added all of the Tradie Ticks tools that you have in the Tradie Ticks Discord, the same stuff, everything. And I only charge half of what they do, so. Yeah. Oh, calls are going crazy, guys. We just shot up literally $4 million in calls, but puts are coming up at the same time. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me move those channels. Thank you for reminding me, Wayne. Let's move those up here. There you go. Wayne, let me know if that fixes it for you. Dude, calls are going crazy. What the crap? This is exactly why I'm not in anything right now. Because the flow is just way too close together right now. It's just not ideal. That dex bar is still red. You're in a few Discords? Yeah, Scott. Bro, if you want to ditch the Tradie Ticks subscription, I know it's quite expensive. I have all the same stuff in my Discord. Like, I'll even show you. So, the Discord will look a little bit different for you. Because I'm the admin, so I have a bunch of different channels. So if you scroll down here, this is the premium Discord. All these things right here are on the Tradie Ticks Discord. It's literally all the same stuff. You got the bullseye alerts, tradie flow alerts, sweeps, scalps, dark pool prints, and there's a bunch of. I honestly don't even use half of these. I do not even use half of these things. So that's why I'm trying to build a community, because the more people that come into the group, the more people will use all these tools, and then we can learn from each other, right? That's what I want to do. And then you can go over here, Chris, or Scott, sorry. Go over to right here to bot queries, and you can do the little commands that you can do on Trading Ticks as well, and in Trading Chat. Yeah, calls are going nuts. That's the Discord though. Ace of Trades to learn. Yeah, bro. That dude's insane. So let me show Scott that. So check this out, Scott. So my buddy Ace, his name's literally Ace. He's from Canada, and he did alerts today. He played all spy. He usually does. He switches up usually, but he had 4 green trades. All of them were over 20%. One of them, the last one he did, ran for 90%. He's freaking insane, bro. He has a little sniper gif. And they're small account alerts too, which is really cool. They're really risky, so you have to be watching them. But dude, he's insane. He had a very, very good day today. Yeah, one of his trades would have paid the $30 fee for the server. And then mine too. Mine as well. That's what I paid Chipotle. Oh, you follow Ace from his Concord? Yeah. Bro, if you're in so many Discords, just hop in mine, bro. If you see Ace, I have Ace and Trading Ticks combined into mine. Oh yeah, you're 9 to 5. I feel that, bro. No rush. Oh, calls are going crazy. What the crap? I gotta see what these are. Hold on. Let's look at the calls. PayPal? What the crap? PayPal calls? Wait, does PayPal have earnings? No. PayPal doesn't have earnings. That's a big freaking call. Look at that. PayPal at ass $75 strike. Oh, never mind. That's way in the money. Never mind. These are the big ones that are coming out. EWZ, and then Netflix, and then PayPal. And that's why I picked up on Trady 2 weeks ago to help with some swing trades because it was hard to follow Ace. Yeah, I feel that, bro. There's tons of swing trades in Trading Ticks, so we love it a lot. I've been using it for a year now. I've been using it for a year, and I've been super profitable. Yeah, swing calls, I don't feel right doing that either. Especially with the dex levels. Here, this is for Wayne. Right here, bro. It's red, but barely. It is red. Not too red, though. Okay, we're getting a little wild here, guys. We're breaking below VWAP. Look at this chop. This is disgusting. Dear Lanta, we should have got puts. Look at that. Dude, flow is so weird today. That probably would have shaken me out of puts, honestly. I almost got in puts at the rejection of the 15 EMA here. Oops. Right here. But those calls literally were shooting up like crazy. Here you go. You get a hot chick listening to music, guys. Beach time music. Let's go. Oh, man. Those puts would have paid so hard. So, Fused, you're probably giddy, bro. Is Best Buy tanking? Yeah, look at that. How much are you up here? Let's see. We're going to take a peek. Hey, you're up like, what, 20 bucks? 10% maybe? 5%? What is it? Not bad. Think we bleed tomorrow? According to Dex, yes. But, I mean, with these calls coming up like this, I thought we were going to get a nice cross on puts. But we didn't get it. Last 3 days, puts are crazy. Let's look at the last 5 days. Calls are winning last 5 days. And then last 4 days, puts are winning. It was only today that calls are winning. Dude, calls are going straight up. Only like 10 bucks. Hey, it's something, bro. There's Spy, guys. It literally came back up. What the crap? It's going nutty. It literally just shot up 70 cents. 75 cents. It's wild. Freaking wild. Might cut earnings play or a gamble. That's typically not how I play. I was wondering why you got in those, bro. I know some people like to gamble sometimes on earnings plays, which is fine, like if you do it once in a while. But shoot, I hate playing earnings plays. Oh! Is that right? What the crap just came out? Hold on. Oh gosh, it's another Clar. Gosh, people are selling calls again. I hate this ticker. This ticker is literally messing with market net flow. Look at that. Oh. So I tend to ignore it when it looks like that, just so you guys know. When calls go straight down like that, I usually just ignore it because it's one order. It's just like one thing. So, yeah. And I'm pretty sure. It was this Clar play, this one. That one was pretty massive. Ignore it. Don't even pay attention to that. Dude, those puts would have printed. Oh my gosh. No swings. I'm probably not going to get into any swings, Wayne. I'll wait for tomorrow to make a decision. I was bearish, but you always got to move on. You can't really dwell on what you should have and shouldn't have gotten in, you know? We'll always get it back. You know me, bro. You know we'll get it back. We'll freaking trade. We're consistent. 20, 30 percenters, always. There's your clothes, fellas. My gosh. Man, those calls literally sold off like crazy. So, when it looks like that, it's definitely this. I'm almost positive it was this CLAR thing. CLAR. I hate when those come out because everyone freaks out. And it's just one person. What's up, Benji? What's the pricing on weekly Prime membership? Any thoughts? Yeah, so if I'm all ears when it comes to new things on the Discord. Since it's so new, there's only 5 or 6 of us right now in the premium membership, which includes the alerts with mine and Aces, and then also the trading ticks spots and market data. So if you guys have any additions that you want or like have any suggestions, please just let me know and I'll try to include them. So for weekly, I haven't thought about weekly. I don't know if I can even do that weekly on my end, like automated through the software I have. But if you DM me, Benji, I will try to hook you up. Just gonna say that. So if you DM me and you really want to join, and you can only do weekly stuff, just let me know, and I'll work out a deal for you. How does Dex? Dex was red, just barely. So I'll show you Dex. See, this is Dex right here. It is a little red, 0.2. Let me refresh it just so it's current data. Yep, 0.23. So it's a little bit more red than it was, but that's just because a bunch of puts were probably bought and prices falling significantly. So the problem I have with these smaller ones, like this one, this one, this one, and sort of this one, is they're not as accurate as these big ones, right? So if you go back to last week, both these small ones would have not played out very well. This small one, maybe a little bit, and this one, no. This one would not have played out, and neither would have this one. So you just have to pick and choose the ones. If you want to risk it and feel like it's going to be red tomorrow, then by all means feel free. This is a 60% win rate tool to use, just this. Like if you use nothing else and just use Dex, you'll win 60% of the time. So yeah. Ideally, I think that we'll go back down to 400, and we're going back down right now. So I do think that we hit a nice gamma level around 406, and I think we'll head back down to at least the low of today going into tomorrow. So we'll see if my analysis plays out. I was looking at the gamma levels earlier on stream. Here they are right here. See how we had strong selling pressure at 407 and then 406 too. So I figured that this area would be prone to bounce back down. And we definitely got that today. So, yeah, anything below 404, I think we're below 404, yeah. So anything below 404, we should go back down to 402, which, do we even hit 402? 402 is the next level, and then 400. So like right here. I'll draw it. There's 402. Love your Discord for so far, new to it. Hey, bro. If you were here last month, I don't remember. I don't know your Discord name, Benji. So I don't know if you were here last month, but I had everything open for a whole month. So pretty much the people that were here with me before signed up because they saw the value that brought to their trading. So I wish eventually I'm going to be doing a free trial, but it probably will only be for like 2 or 3 days. I did have a free trial before, but it didn't really work out. So I probably will be doing a free trial again in the near future. But since I already did a month of just free trial, I felt like just to do that. So yeah, man, if you just DM me, I'm an open book. You can ask me anything, bro. I have no problem answering anything. Okay, let's check that market net flow at close there. Excuse my desktop, it's very messy. I need to organize my desktop. Oh, oops, I'm not on the wrong screen. There we go. Okay, puts are going crazy. Puts went straight up. It went from -6 to positive like 2.5, maybe 3 million. Oh yeah, 3 million. So puts tomorrow will probably be the move. Puts tomorrow will probably be the move. We'll see how market net flow opens tomorrow. If it's like another day like this, I'm not going to be getting in. But if we have a nice divergence on puts, I'll probably be getting into some puts. Ideally, I should have been playing puts earlier during power hour, but we didn't do it. We could have made a nice trade here from 404 to 402.50. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. We'll get the next one. You're Bocook 31. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen you in there, right? Yeah, I've definitely talked to you before, bro. I remember you. Yeah, so if you ever want to message me, go feel free, bro. Friend me, and then so to message me on Discord, you have to friend me. So just make sure it's me. Just click on my purple name. Yeah, you caught the free bots. You know how it is. Combo of market net flow index is so strong, guys. Combine that with just basic TA like support and resistance levels, moving averages like I do, VWAP. You guys will be so successful. I have not missed a play. So Friday, I do not count Friday. I did miss a play on Friday, but that's because market net flow was broken. So I don't count that one. If market net flow was working, I would probably be. I didn't miss a play last week. Look at Best Buy. Oh! Best Buy tanked. We'll see what happens after hours, guys. Maybe during futures trading, we'll come back up to these moving averages. Excuse me. And then we'll come back down. I'll be paying attention to futures trading today. What time will I be live tomorrow? Tomorrow I will be live same time. It's possible that I will be in California, though. I'm not quite sure that I'm going to be going out of town. But I'm going to try my best to get on live tomorrow, even if I'm out of town. But if I don't go out of town, I'll be on live same time during power hour. Because usually what happens is I drop my kid off at school for preschool. And then I get on live right after that. Which is at 12 Pacific time. So if you're on the West Coast, 12 p.m. East Coast, 3 p.m. Not a bad day, guys, though. We swung puts, and then we closed them out at open, which was perfect. We could have made a little bit more if we sold down here. But, I mean, I'm not going to complain. We sold literally right at open. And that was the best decision we ever made. And then we got into some calls. I can't remember where it was. I think it was, like, down in this area. Because we saw the dip, and then the divergence happened on puts and calls, and we rode this up a little ways. I got out way too early, but I'm not going to complain for green. We had 2 excellent plays today. And then Ace had all green too. So collectively we went 6 for 6 on plays. Well, 5 for 5 if you don't count the swing from Friday. What time? Morning or late? Yeah, late afternoon. So 12 p.m. Pacific time. If I'm out of town, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. I'll do a little alert if I'm going to go live or not. There's a good possibility I'm going to go to California with some of my family just to hang out for a couple days, because in Vegas it's 110 degrees out this whole week. So I don't want to go outside. I want to go somewhere where it's nicer. We're going to go to some baseball games maybe. Excuse me. Hold on. Let me blow my nose. Goodness. I have like allergies. Okay. Is there anything else you guys have questions about or anything? I know I've kind of been quiet today, but that's because I've been slowly eating my burrito from the dub from today. You guys, free Chipotle every day in this Discord. Like, seriously. Free Chipotle every day. How's Best Buy looking? Oh, it came back up. There you go, Fused. Oh, Fuse says he chickened out on Best Buy and took $20 profit. Yeah, good choice, Fused. Good choice. You'd probably get wrecked, honestly. Beautiful. You gotta take the green, bro, when you see it. I love it. But if no one has anything else... Oh, you guys want to say hi to the puppy? Come here, please. Ugh. Let the puppy bring in good luck for tomorrow. Huh. He's not really a puppy anymore. He is 7 months old. But he's still a puppy in my eyes. He's huge. He got so big. He used to be the size of his head. Huh. Okay. Get down. Ugh. He's a big cuddle bug. Alright, guys. If no one has questions, I'm probably going to get off. If you guys have questions later on, hit me up on the Discord or Twitter. It was a good day, guys. We're going to have another one tomorrow. I appreciate all you guys that came in, too. So, tomorrow, if I'm here, I'm going to be a lot more talkative because I won't be eating. So, we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get into a couple plays. We'll see. All right, guys. Peace out.